Okay, the
Welcome
method of
back to
processing
PPS
credit
USA.
cards.
This is our
We have
part 2
credit card
version of the
terminal,
website, and
automated
this part
response
will
unit,
cover
ARU,
the services.
a payment
We're going to
gateway,
start here
level 2
on
or
the
level
credit card
3
processing page.
purchasing
Okay,
cards, merchant
our
account
payment
marketing,
processing solution
marketing by banks,
helps businesses
marketing
improve
by
their cash
independent sales
flow, minimize their
organizations,
collection risk, and better
ISOs
serve their
or
customers
MSPs.
while meeting
We're also
stringent
going to look at the rates
security
and fees,
standards to protect
discount
cardholder
rates,
data.
the
Types of
tier
processing.
pricing, the
It's
first tier
easier
pricing,
to
the second
than
tier,
ever
the
to accept credit
mid-qualified
cards, no matter
rate,
what their
the third
processing
tier, the
environment looks like.
non-qualified rate.
We do retail
And the sixth-tier
processing. We accept
We're
credit
also going to
cards
look
at point of sale
interchange plus pricing,
for the retail or
and the bill
restaurant
back
business.
and the
Reliable,
ERR,
secure
the enhanced
terminals
recovery
with their receipt
reduced
clearing capabilities are a
authorization
must.
fee,
Wireless
the transaction
processing,
fee,
convenient for
the
merchants on the
statement
go.
fee.
They can
And
accept
we'll
credit cards
scroll
at trade
down
shows,
here
at
for a
clients'
second,
offices,
and we're
or
going to
wherever their
also
business
look
takes them.
at
Online e-commerce
after the
process
statement
transactions
fee,
24 hours a
we're going to
day,
look at the
7
monthly
days a
minimum
week,
fee, the
automatically
batch
and
fee, the
securely.
customer service
Mail
fee,
order and
the
telephone
annual
order,
fee,
a
the
convenient
early
way to accept credit
termination
cards for
fee,
those operating
chargeback
a mail
fee,
order or telephone
the
order
Durbin
business.
agreement.
Okay, and then we've got a lead generation system below here where they complete the form,
terms to know,
and I'll show you a few of the questions that we ask them
also
below.
some references.
We ask them,
Okay,
does their
so
business
let's
currently
get
accept
going
credit
down
cards? Yes or no?
here.
Are they
Methods of
currently in need of
processing
credit card
cards.
processing equipment
Today, a
or
majority
software?
of credit card
How much they
transactions are
currently
sent
accept, or do
electronically
they
to merchant
anticipate
processing banks
in monthly
for
charges?
authorization,
What are they what's
capture, and
the
deposit.
most likely method of they're
Various
going to receive
methods
the credit
exist
card
for presenting
orders?
a credit card sales
What's the
to
business
the system.
name? What types of
In all
products are sold or
circumstances,
services
either the entire
provided?
magnetic strip is read by a swipe through a credit card terminal or reader. A computer
What
chip
state
is read,
are they
or
located
the credit
in?
card
What's the zip code, their contact names, their
is
contact
manually
phone
entered into
number,
a credit
and
card
their contact
terminal,
email
a
address.
computer,
Okay, now we're going to
or
go
a
to the
website.
top here,
The
and we're going
earliest
to go
methods
to our
was
check
submitting credit card
acceptance
slips to a
service.
merchant, processing bank by mail,
Okay,
or by
scroll down.
accessing an automated response unit, an ARU.
And our accepting
by
checks
telephone.
has never been so convenient and cost
And they are
effective.
still in use
PPS
today, but have
converts paper
long
checks into
been
safe, efficient electronic
overshadowed by
transactions
electronic
that are
devices.
processed with the speed and ease
These
of a
early
credit card
methods use
transaction. Our
two-part
industry-leading
forms of a
product
manual device
enables
for
you
mechanically
to accept both
imprinting
business
the
and
embossed
personal
card
checks
number
while choosing the best
information
point of
onto
sale
the forms.
configurations,
The
risk mitigation service levels, and imaging options to match your operating needs. Processing. PPS supports real-time financial processing for all checks by automatically and systematically leveraging 3 processing methods. Direct DDA access reaches more than 30% of consumer checking accounts through a real-time debit gateway. The automated clearinghouse ACH processing clears checks drawn on non-participating DDA banks through the ACH network. Check replacement document processing processes business checks and exception items through the banking system. Okay, service levels. PPS is able to significantly reduce check fraud and collection hassle, and we automatically handle returns, keeping you financially whole throughout the process. Conversion with guarantee. The check amount is guaranteed, no more paperwork or collection. Conversion with verification. PPS verifies that your check is good. You retain the risk for returned items for all processed transactions. Conversion with verification and collections. Offers all the advantages of conversion and verification while eliminating the need for merchants to perform collections. Conversion only. This check is converted in process without risk services. Custom combination. Custom designed risk programs are available, consisting of any combination of services. Okay, and now we'll go to the imaging part. Imaging. Point of purchase. Through use of a check imager at the point of sale, each check is converted to an electronic transaction and imaged for archival and retrieval purposes. The voided check is handed back to the customer. Accounts receivable conversion. Used for check present, consumer absent transactions, which are typical of receivable payments. Cash office imaging. COI. Checks are authorized and processed via existing MCR check readers at the point of sale, while imaging is handled separately in your bank office using a high-speed batch imager. Outsourced imaging. Like the COI option, check imaging is performed separately from electronic authorization and clearing. However, your own central location or a POS processing site performs the check imaging instead of your back office. Okay, now we're going to go to the POS solutions. Whether you use trademark software or an integrated solution, PPS is compatible with a range of point-of-sale payment acceptance devices. Terminal solutions. Use your existing POS payment terminal and simply attach a check imager. All-in-one terminal. Accept credit cards, authorize, and image checks in one operation at the point of sale. PC-based software solutions. Connect a check imager and use one of our powerful software payment solutions if your point of sale system is PC-based. Integrated POS solutions. Accept checks as seamless as other forms of payment when you integrate PPS with your POS register system. Automated clearinghouse processing clears checks drawn on non-DDA participating banks. Okay, that's the check section of our services. Let's go back to the top here, and we're going to go to point of sale. Okay, we're at point of sale page, and this is what your client will see if they visit the website and go to point of sale. Service and savings. Our systems are used by thousands of stores just like yours to track inventory, maintain customer histories, and make sales. With a simple user interface and variety of features, it has never been easier to start or upgrade your retail store. Easy to manage. You'll have all of our features at your fingertips. Webcam integration allows you to store images of your inventory, customers, and employees, ensuring that identification has never been easier. Easy to expand. Start with a single standalone computer or use us for all the systems in your store. You'll be able to access all your information from every workstation instantly. Easy to understand. Extraordinary reporting features condense your store's workings into simple, easy-to-read fact sheets. These reports can be customized to give you an overview of your store's performance or narrowed down to provide you with in-depth sales information over a particular day. Easy to enhance. PPS POS comes in 2 low-price packages that ensure you're getting the best fit for your store. The Basic comes with everything you need to run a retail store, and Pro adds helpful features like enhanced reporting, accounts payable, and more. If Pro doesn't have all the features you need, upgrade to the more advanced Easy POS, the retail software that runs your store. Call us to help put together the right hardware, software, and support. For information, call us at 310-234-2411. Retail point-of-sale systems, restaurant point-of-sale systems, and POS software features. Okay, so they could click here to retail point-of-sales and get more information on the products. We can go back here. And now we're going to go down to the bottom one more time, and I'll show you the other 2 links. At the POS, I'll have to click here. Go back down. Restaurant point-of-sale systems. That shows the different restaurant point-of-sale systems. And POS software features comparison. Shows the different features and the comparisons from the Basic, the Pro, the Easy Pros, Easy Pro Plus. Shows the different items and services they can handle right here. Okay. Now we'll go to the next service, merchant cash advances. Merchant cash advance. Introducing PPS Merchant Cash Advance Program. We understand in the current economic climate, businesses find it difficult to acquire working capital through traditional loans. A merchant cash advance offers advantages over a loan. You will not be required to put up any collateral or have perfect credit. The lender will advance working capital against your future credit card receivables. You may use this as working capital for almost anything you would like: expansion, payroll, remodeling, taxes, inventory, advertising, or even to pay off an existing loan. Your merchant cash advance is repaid by deducting a small percentage of your credit card sales from your daily batches. Our goal is to put money in your bank without the hassles of a traditional small business loan. Merchant cash advance is easy to obtain. And unsecured debts with no collateral, no personal guarantee, no credit reporting, no application fee, quick application, minimum financial support documentation, last 4 months of processing statements, and 1 most recent bank statement. Merchant cash advance fast solution. No switching processors, no monthly loan payments, no fixed terms. Predict cash flow in greater clarity. Increase working capital. Split funding. Funding is withdrawn prior to your transaction deposits.
no deposit delay. Okay, now we're going to go up to the top, and we're going to go to the gift and the loyalty cards. The perfect solution to grow their business. PPS provides electronic gift card loyalty programs that are perfect solutions year-round. Bring in new customers, increase sales and profit, encourage repeat business, simple to manage, merchandise returns, promotional marketing tools, corporate charitable gifts, customer appreciation, holidays and special occasions, customize the look, then how the gift cards work. Retains 100% of purchase value, utilizes paper certificates, value is retained for partially used cards. The sale price is deducted from the card and the remaining balance used later. Remaining balances bring return visits, ensure that the entire value will be spent at your business. Monitor transaction details and card balances online. Additional features, administrative and reporting features. Daily transaction summary, receive a daily report of all stored value cards processed. Monthly liability report, check the outstanding balances of all cards issued. Cardholder balance inquiry, allow cardholders to check card balances via the telephone. Online administration tools, track card activity, activate multiple cards, transfer card balances, and access reporting online. Again, for information, they can call 310-234-2411. Okay, high-risk processing. If you have a legal business, we can help you obtain a merchant account. Not all merchant account providers will work with business owners that have a business deemed to be high risk in nature. But that's what sets us apart from our competition. Our goal is to do everything possible to get your account approved and give you the ability to accept all major credit cards. We currently have high-risk merchant account programs in place for credit repair businesses, travel businesses, replica businesses, plus many other high-risk merchant account business types. Among the acceptable businesses PPS can service are travel, including vouchers, high tickets, reservations, accommodations, startup or established, first-party collection agencies, credit repair with a U.S. account, MLM. We can do most MLMs, but not all ideal merchants will have a tangible product or service provided to their customers. Electronic high tickets for business-to-business and home-based drop shipping. Electronics are acceptable. Timeshare if real estate advertising merchants. Penny auction sites. Electronic cigarettes. Herbal supplements and diet pills. Financial consulting. Stock, commodities, monthly tips, tools, real estate seminars, direct mail programs, calling phone cards, prepaid phone cards, VoIP services and telecommunications, high tickets and volume jewelry, seminars, etc. Adult, both products, DVDs, toys, and contents. Downloads, photo galleries, memberships. Adult merchants must register with Visa, MasterCard to be legitimate in the U.S. DVD rental programs are okay. Telemarketing, outbound depends on product and line of history. Inbound is fine. Dating merchants, now no registration required. Ebook or software. Digital download merchants. Tickets, sporting events, depends on somewhat on the business model, how far in advance, etc. And also high volume, no cap accounts and accounts with high ticket items. We offer demand draft and high risk ACH processing. Merchants that bill annually. FFL dealers, federal firearm license, and magazine sales. That's some of your high-risk businesses here that we'll work to help get them the merchant account. Okay, the last page on the website will be the Contact Us page, which shows our offices. Currently, we have offices based in Los Angeles. Here's the address, Hawaii, and Canada. So they can contact us at the office nearest them. And there's our collection of their contact information. And that does it for the services section of the website, and that completes the website information. And you should watch both these videos and get used to them, and so you know what your customers are seeing when they come to the website.